Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Financial Intake. Today, we'll dive into TransMedics' third quarter earnings report. In the next few minutes, you'll gain valuable insights into the company's performance, revenue growth, and what lies ahead. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick financial analyses. Let's start. TransMedics reported a solid third quarter for 2024, with total revenue reaching $108.8 million. Marking an impressive 64% increase compared to the same quarter last year, with $66.4 million. This growth is primarily driven by the increased utilization of their organ care system, OCS, across all organ types through their national OCS program. The company also generated a net income of $4.2 million, which translates to $0.12 per diluted share. This is a significant turnaround from the net loss of $25.4 million in Q3 2023. Showcasing TransMedics' ability to scale its operations effectively. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. The gross margin for this quarter was 56%, down from 61% last year, primarily due to a higher proportion of service revenue, which typically carries lower margins than product sales. When it comes to operating expenses, TransMedics reported $56.9 million this quarter, a decrease from $69 million in Q3 2023. The previous year's expenses included a significant $27.2 million for non-recurring in-process research and development. It's worth noting that their investment in research and development has increased, reflecting their commitment to innovation. As of September 30th, 2024, TransMedics held $330.1 million in cash, compared to $362.8 million at the end of the previous quarter. This liquidity gives them room to continue investing in growth. Why did TransMedics stock drop 25% after the Q3 report? TransMedics stock experienced a significant drop of 25% after the release of its Q3 earnings report, and several factors contributed to this decline. Lowered guidance. TransMedics lowered its full-year guidance despite a substantial revenue increase. Analysts had anticipated more aggressive growth, but the updated outlook raised concerns about the company's ability to sustain momentum in the coming quarters. Margin pressure. The gross margin for the quarter decreased to 56% from 61% in the same period last year. This decline was attributed to a higher proportion of lower margin service revenue compared to product sales. Investors may have viewed this shift negatively, indicating potential challenges in profitability. Market reaction to expenses. While operating expenses decreased, the company's ongoing investments in research and development raised questions about future profitability. The market tends to react cautiously to increased spending in R&D, especially if it doesn't translate into immediate financial returns. Competitive landscape. TransMedics faces growing competition in the organ transplant sector, particularly from companies enhancing their technologies. The market may have been concerned about how well TransMedics can compete and capture market share in a rapidly evolving industry. Investor sentiment. Overall market sentiment can impact stock performance, and in this case, the combination of lowered expectations and concerns over margins may have fueled negative investor sentiment, leading to a significant stock drop. In summary, lowered guidance, margin pressures, competitive challenges, and overall investor sentiment contributed to TransMedics' stock decline following its Q3 earnings report. The company is also focusing on enhancing the customer experience. By improving their logistics and service offerings, they aim to ensure a seamless process for hospitals and transplant centers utilizing the OCS technology. This focus on customer satisfaction is vital for building long-term relationships in the healthcare industry. While the growth prospects are promising, TransMedics will need to navigate several challenges. They must continue expanding their market share and addressing competition in the organ transplant sector. Additionally, regulatory hurdles and maintaining high-quality service will be crucial for their ongoing success. Looking ahead, TransMedics maintains a positive outlook for the remainder of 2024, expecting revenue to be in the range of $425 million to $445 million, which represents a growth of 76% to 84% compared to last year. The company is on track to meet its ambitious goal of reaching 10,000 OCS transplant cases per year in the U.S. by 2028. Thank you for tuning in to this overview of TransMedics Q3 earnings report. As we see, the company is making significant strides in the organ transplant market, but challenges remain. If you're interested in more financial insights, don't forget to check out our upcoming video analyzing Apple's earnings report this Thursday. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay updated on all the latest financial news.